Well, hello there. How are you?
Welcome back, Josh. I'm ready to assist. How can I help you today on the factory floor?
What can you help me with?
I can help you with factory training, operational guidance, safety awareness, equipment familiarization, and process walkthroughs. Would you like to start with a tour of the factory?
Yes, let's go.
Excellent. Please follow me. We'll begin by heading towards the main assembly line. Hello, Josh. Welcome to the floor. What can I help you with today?
Hello, thank you for welcoming me. How can you help?
I can walk you through any of the production lines, help you rehearse a specific procedure, or run a safety check on the equipment. Just let me know what's on your agenda today.
Whoa, that robot almost hit us.
Step back immediately and move clear of the robot's reach envelope. We need to hit the emergency stop and notify the floor supervisor right now.